The number one problem I hear from Amazon resellers is, I can't find anything to sell. And most of the time what they actually mean is, everything I find is gated. You scan a product, the margins look great, the sales rank looks awesome, and you go to list it and Amazon says you need approval. So you apply and you're promptly rejected. And then you're thinking, well, how do I get an invoice? I don't even have a wholesale account. So you look into buying invoices from some random service on YouTube, and somewhere in that spiral, you start wondering if this thing is even real. Well, here's what you probably don't know yet. You are already approved to sell hundreds of brands right now. You just don't know which ones. And that's what Ungating Solved does. I built a list of over 5,000 brands pulled from trusted sources across over 20 Amazon categories. You run that list through a bulk approval checker, and in minutes, you can see exactly which brands your account is already approved for. No invoices, no applications, no begging. Now, when I ran this on my own account, I had around 600 approved brands that turned into nearly 57,000 matching ASINs. Now, your numbers will vary based on the history of your account, but the process is the same and it's repeatable. You get the brand list, a step-by-step system, a 30-day pro trial of the bulk checking tool, my trusted sources list with over 400 stores analyzed using a 5-tier risk framework, and a category deep dive report covering the 5 categories where new sellers are most likely to already be ungated. Look, I've been selling on Amazon for 7 years and I've coached sellers for over 5. And the pattern I see over and over is people chasing ungating when they're already sitting on approvals they don't even know about. They're trying to break down a door when there's an open window right next to it. Well, this course is that open window. It's not going to tell you what to buy, that's a different skill set, but it will show you where to look. And that's the part that most sellers are missing. Ungating Solved. Links below. I'll see you on the inside.